Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss physical science model paper for class 10. It is a new pattern question paper released by Telangana government for the year 2023. Let us see how the marks are distributed for this new pattern question paper. So question paper is divided into two parts, part A and part B. Part A contains 30 marks, part B contains 10 marks. Total weightage is 40 marks and time is 1 hour 30 minutes. You have to make a note of the students. Physical science and biological science will conduct on the same day. In section 1, we have three questions and each question carries 2 marks. Total weightage is 6 marks for section 1. And there is no choice. We have to attempt all the questions in this section. Let us see what questions are going to come in section 1. First question, write any two uses of each convex and concave mirror. This is a question from reflection of light at curved surfaces. What happens if rusting of metal does not prevent? So this is a question from Principle of Metallurgy. Third, a doctor suggested to use plus 2D power lens to correct a person's eye defect. Then find the focal length of the lens. So this is a question from the chapter or lesson Human Eye and Colorful World. So three questions will be asked from Reflection of Light, Principle of Metallurgy and Human Eye Colorful World. Let us see the section 2. In section 2 also we have to attempt 3 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. Total weightage is 9 marks. And there is no choice in this section also. We have to attempt all the questions. So which questions are asked in this section 2? Let us discuss. Answer the following question by using the above method. So elements are given with atomic number, atomic radius and electronegativity and question related to this are asked for 3 marks. Sorry, classification of elements, the periodic table. So fifth question, mention the difference between alkanes and alkenes. So this is a question from carbon and its compounds. Explain the polar covalent bond with one suitable example. So this is a chemical bonding lesson question. So three questions will come from carbon and its compounds, chemical bonding and periodic table. Let us see what questions come for section 3. In section 3 we have to attempt 3 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. Total weightage is 15 marks. So internal choice will be given in this section. Let us see what questions appeared in this model paper. Explain the working process of induction stove and security system by using Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So this is a question from electromagnetism lesson. Or mention the product's right balanced chemical equation when 112 grams of propane C3H8 is combusted. Calculate the mass of the carbon dioxide evolved in the reaction. So this is a question from chemical equation. Eighth question, you have internal choice. You can attempt any one of this question. An object is placed 25 centimeters distant from a concave lens of 20 centimeter focal length. Draw the ray diagram and mention its characteristic of the image formed. It is one of the important questions, students. This is a question from refraction of light at curved surfaces. Other option given for eighth question is draw the shape of all the orbital which represent the quantum numbers when n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 2. Ninth question, list out the material required to verify the Ohm's law experiment. Mention the precautions to be taken in the experiment and write the experimental procedure. This is the question from electric current and we have an option for this ninth question. The question is list out the materials required in the experiment of hydrogen gas is evolved when metals react with acids or bases. Mention the precautions to be taken with experimental procedure. So experimental question is given. This is a question from acid, bases and salts. So these are the questions from part A. Let us also discuss part B. Part B we have 10 marks and each question carries 1 mark. We have to attempt all the questions. So go through the question, students.